Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any ideas what it might be? Today, we're going to learn about the peach. So first, do you think peaches are a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. The peach is a fruit. So, how does it grow? The peach grows on a tree, but the peach tree is a short-lived tree and will only live for about 20 years. There are a few peaches that grow in Iowa, but you'll mostly find peaches growing in warmer climates, such as states as Georgia, South Carolina, and California. The United States is the world's leader in growing peaches. But the peach did not originate here. The peach originated from China. Fresh peaches are available in season from May through October, with the peak being in June, July, and August. When picking peaches from the store, you want to look for a peach that is firm, has a fuzzy skin, and is yellow tint in color. You want to avoid peaches that have blemishes or a green tint in color. A fresh peach is ready to eat when it gives to gentle pressure. So how are some ways that we could eat peaches? Peaches can be eaten fresh, canned, or frozen. Peaches can be baked, broiled, sautéed, or grilled. They can be added to fruit salads, salsa, like this fruit salsa, quesadillas, like this sweet and tangy chicken quesadilla that has peaches in it, smoothies, baked goods like breads and muffins, jams, and desserts like this quick fruit dessert. Along with cakes, pies, cobblers, and crisp, like this fruit crisp. Peaches can also be added as a topping on hot or cold cereal, pancakes or waffles, yogurt, cottage cheese, and ice cream. These recipes are all from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. If you would like the link to this recipe, check out the description box of this YouTube video. So now that we know all these great ways to eat peaches, why should we eat them? Peaches have vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body in 3 different ways. It helps get rid of the germs in our body, can help heal our cuts and bruises, and can help keep our skin healthy. Peaches have vitamin A. Vitamin A helps our eyesight or our vision and can help us see at night. Peaches also have fiber, which helps our tummy or our digestive system and can help us feel full longer in between meals. This week, I encourage you to try some peaches at home. If you'd like to know some more information about peaches or some recipes to try at home, check out our newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.